Welcome back, friends. Happy New Year to everyone. This is my first Walmart grocery haul of 2026, and I did a pickup order, so I'm going to go ahead and get right into it and show you everything that I picked up. So the first thing I did get was the romaine salad. So I got 2 bags. I got one larger bag and, just the smaller bag. And that's, my husband and I both like salad, so that'll last us a little bit. And then a red bell pepper, some of the curly parsley, Florida orange juice, and my husband, he likes the no pulp one, so that's the one we get. And it also, I like these larger ones because they last a little longer. Some whole milk. Usually, and I don't drink whole milk, we just use it for recipes and things like that. This is a 10-pound bag of the russet potatoes. I have several recipes I'm going to be doing that needs potatoes. And then I have my zero sugar 7-Up. If you've been with me for a while, you know I get this every week just about. I like to have it on hand, but this time I only got one because it wasn't on sale, so I'm not too happy with that. But that's why I just got the one. And then some low sodium chicken broth, and then I have the beef broth, cream of chicken soup, and then I needed to replenish my butter because we used a lot over the holidays. So just kind of restocking my fridge. So I always have this on hand. So I have 2, this is the 2-pack, the twin pack, and then just a separate one, just so I know I have it in there. And then Ben's Original Ready rice. So this is just the rice you can, microwave. So really quick and simple for a quick side dish. Blueberries, and this is they look pretty good, so glad about that one. And then some thyme, herbs, for a recipe, baby spinach for a recipe as well. Then I have some Ozarka spring water, and these are just the small 8-ounce bottles of water. I like to use these for feeding the sourdough starter that I have. I have some Bigelow vanilla chai black tea. I really like this one. Some sweet dried cranberries. This is going to be for a recipe. I ended up getting 2 just in case I needed more. And then this is just the golden raisins, which is also going to be in a recipe. Some beef pasta, which is, just your regular hamburger helper for a quick meal. Some Velveeta shells and cheese, quick side dish. And I do have the Velveeta skillets meal because that's the chicken and bacon ranch. Like I said, quick meals, when I'm really tight for time. Some ultra strong, hefty trash bags. I got the 80 Great Value gallon freezer bags. Some Clorox wipes. Then this is the real chopped bacon. So I like that one to add into recipes as well. The G. Hughes's sugar-free ranch dressing, and I like that one actually to put on like baked potatoes and stuff. And the sugar-free sweet vinaigrette one, really good for salads. My husband likes the Hidden Valley Ranch, the light one for his salads. Then I have the minced garlic. That saves a lot of time as well. And I've been doing that. I usually like fresh garlic, but I find it's been going bad on me a little too quickly. And that just, saves time, and, it stays in the fridge so it doesn't, go bad as quickly. Some Dijon mustard. Then I needed some balsamic vinegar. And this is Zatarain's shrimp and crab boil, so I needed that just to add to some things that we cook. Some Crest Gum Detoxify. Then I have some zero sugar Jell-O pudding. This is the vanilla, the chocolate. This is the chocolate and vanilla swirls. I like those for a quick little, snack in the evenings. And some whipped cream, half and half, which I like when I have hot tea. This I was a little disappointed in. Yeah, it's a bit crushed. I think it'll be okay to drink. It's not on the seam, I don't believe, so I'm still gonna go ahead and try it, but I hate when they end up giving me things like that. But it's the Rye Company tea, iced tea with benefits, antioxidants. So it's a green tea basically. But I was gonna get the Lipton which is what I used to always get, but I felt like this one was a little better because it doesn't have the aspartame and stuff, because I usually get the diet one. This one doesn't have that. It has stevia leaf extract for the sweetener and monk fruit, so, and natural flavorings. So I think this might be a little bit better choice. I'm not sure how good it's going to taste, but I thought I'd try one and see how it is, and then go from there if I want to get more. Sauerkraut. Anything fermented is good for you, so I got that. And whole grain Nature's Own bread. My husband uses that for sandwiches. Some medium egg noodles and elbow noodles, which I think I meant to get the medium one, so I'm gonna have to see if I can use this or not in that recipe that I want to do. And non-food items here are, we decorate for Mardi Gras, so this is just little ornaments I'm going to probably put on my tier tray to add to stuff I already have. But this is like the little, you know, king cake ornament. And then if you, in Louisiana, when the parades pass and everything, if there's trees around, you're going to have beads in the trees. And that's just where they stay most of the time, all year. So that's just kind of what that is representing. And then this is a little crawfish. I thought was really cute, so that'll go on my tier tray. Just some LED Mardi Gras lights, and this is just garland. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put that on my tier tray or not, or somewhere else on my door. And this is one, if you're from Louisiana, you know that when you go to the parades, you have this little ladder, and it's a little miniature ladder to show, you know, what we do. But your child would sit up here, and it has this bar to protect them from not, you know, getting out or anything. And that's, you know, just an easy way for them to catch their beads. So they're a little bit higher up off the ground, and you're not having to hold them all the time. So that's just part of the tradition, you know, with the parades and everything. And then Dawn Heavy Duty Power Wash, and I love this stuff. This is great for cleaning your, you know, stuck on the pots that have stuck on food and things like that. But this also, and I've used the other Power Wash scents for clothing and things, but on here it's actually showing that it's great for grills, like if you have a grill that you want to clean, clothes for stains, and also it looks like stainless steel, so it can be used pretty much on anything, but for your dishes as well, and your stove, sink, pots. Mr. Clean Unstoppables. This is the multi-surface, so got that for floors and things like that. And then I'm going to take you over to my other counter because I couldn't fit everything on this table. And this is what I could not fit on my table with the other groceries. So I did pick up 2 rotisserie chickens. This is the traditional one. I did, like I said, I have 2 of them, and what I usually do is take and shred all of the chicken off of it, and I will freeze these either in a food saver bag or in a Ziploc bag, depending on how long I'm going to have them in the freezer. And I usually freeze it like a cup in each bag, so that way I know when I need it for a recipe, I can just take that out and use that amount. And I also have some ground beef sirloin here. I try to get this when I can. It's just a little bit healthier, less fat and everything. So I switch off every now and then. It might be this, it might just be the regular ground beef. So, but when I can, I get the sirloin, just a little healthier. Some cottage cheese. This is the low-fat version, and I like that for snacking on as well. Some brie cheese, and that's going to go in a recipe. Some cream cheese, so I got 2 of those. Honey roasted turkey breast for some lunches, and chicken thighs, so the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Gonna try to do something with that, and some chicken breast. And I always make sure I have this in my freezer. You can do any kind of recipes with this, whether you do it whole or, you know, shred it or slice it up, you know, in chunks or whatever, add it to pasta. So many different things you can use chicken breast for. So it's great to have on hand when you want a quick meal, because it does cook a little bit faster than like the bone-in chicken and everything.
I also picked up some mahi-mahi fish. I used to buy this a lot, and I'm just trying to get back into eating it again, at least once a week, and also had some frozen sweet peas.
And that's going to do it for this Walmart grocery haul. I am hoping to bring you some more different kind of content during the year. I do still have a Laura Ingalls Wilder video I need to share with you. I still have to edit that. I had some issues trying to get some of my videos off of iCloud, so I need to do that. That was a trip that we took in March of last year, in 2025, and I just never had a chance to finish getting that done for you. Like I said, had issues getting it, off of iCloud and everything. So that would be my last part 3, I think, of those videos. So I'm hoping to get that out for you soon. And then I'm also wanting to add in maybe once a month a thrifting video where I go and thrift some things at the thrift store and just show you what I get with that. But I'm also probably going to add a cooking a recipe or something in the video, because I know a lot of you are here for the recipes and things like that. But I just thought it would just give you a little bit more interest maybe in some of the videos that I do. I'm sorry you're hearing my dog whine. He's ready to get out and everything. I didn't want him in here because he was going to be all over everything. But I hope everyone is having a great start to their new year. And I hope that if you are not subscribed to my channel, that you would decide to do so and become a part of my YouTube family. I would absolutely love to have you here and become a part of this great community that I have. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in more like it, click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That's going to notify you when I post new videos. Hope everyone has a very blessed day and a great week ahead. God bless y'all.